Success of the Galaxy M series in India, we are entirely grateful to over 1 crore happy consumers. Thank you so much. What gives us immense pride is that the M series is designed ground up specifically for the Indian Gen Z consumers and is manufactured at our very own manufacturing facility in India, which also happens to be the world's largest mobile factory. Our latest offering, the Galaxy M31s, features India's leading 64 megapixel IntelliCam. It has the single take camera feature that is a total game changer and has no comparison. An unmatched combo of India's leading 64 megapixel IntelliCam, segment leading Infinity O Super AMOLED display, a monstrous 6000 milliampere hour battery and a 25 watt fast charging, this monster will max all your moments. We are launching the Samsung Galaxy M31s on Amazon and Samsung.com at an unbelievable starting price of Rs 19,499 for the 6 plus 128GB variant and Rs 21,499 for the 8 plus 128GB variant. One last thing. The Monster Shot Galaxy M31s goes on sale on Amazon and Samsung.com on the 6th of August. So look out for it. Thank you for all your love and appreciation. Stay safe.